Hey you guys, it's Oliver, and guess what? We just reached 7 subscribers. I know, it's pretty crazy. Back when I was at 0 subscribers, I never would have thought that we'd make it this far. And then back then, I used to be able to answer all you guys' comments. But now, it's just, the community is so large, I just can't anymore, I wish I could, but I just can't. And I really have to thank you guys, because I couldn't have made it here without you. The support, it's been amazing. The amount of just compliments, it's crazy. The people I've met, Well, enough with the cheesy stuff. Now we got to get to the meat. I got this in the mail today. It's from YouTube. I think it might be my play button. Let's open this up and rip right in. Wow. Wow, this is something else. Look at that. That's pretty crazy, It's pretty cool. Epi! Quiet! No! Well guys, thank you for watching, and thank you for getting us this far. Hopefully, maybe next, with the rate that my channel is growing, we might hit 10 subscribers. That'd be something else, wouldn't it? Be sure to hit me up on YouTube, Facebook, and MySpace at Liverquist. That MySpace, it gets a little lonely. Gets a little lonely over there at MySpace. Maybe you can hit me up with a couple likes, a couple friends on MySpace.